everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch channel. So this is my YouTube channel dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches. And in today's episode, I have something very special for you. I actually got myself a brand new modded custom SEIKO. So this is from one of my favorite modders or customizers. The photo watch guy on Facebook is Filipino like me. I bought 2 watches from him already. This is the 3rd. In today's episode, we will be unboxing it, checking it out, putting it on wrist. This is our Rolex Steve McQueen inspired SEIKO. So keep on watching. Let's check it out. Let's go. By the way, before we get to the watch, guys, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel a lot. And comment down below what you think of the watch. And I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. And while you're at it, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that button. Don't hit the notification bell. It really helps out the channel. Allows me to keep on doing content like this for you. Jump right into the unboxing. Again, this is from the photo watch guy, which is his modern tribute to the Steve McQueen Rolex Explorer. Diba? So it comes in this white SEIKO box. If you pop it open, it is a box within a box, and then bam bam, this is it, guys. This is what the watch looks like. And immediately, if you are familiar with the Steve McQueen Rolex Explorer, you can see the similarities and you should be able to spot the differences. But before we even get to that, can I just say that this is a really well-made piece. So apparently, it is, again, a vintage-looking watch. They used, I think it's a 40mm diameter SKX style with a 3 o'clock custom crown case that you see over here, signed SEIKO. Uses the SEIKO NH36 automatic movement with hacking and winding. It has a Submariner-style bezel. It also has a double dome sapphire crystal. It has a sapphire crystal display case back. So if you want to see the movement, you can actually see it from the back. It has vintage-style aftermarket dial, a patina swords hand with GMT orange second hand. Looks really dope. And then stainless steel dual-time brushed bezel insert. By the way, I don't know if the watch is still new, but the bezel is kind of hard to turn. What we'll do now is we'll put it on wrist. So I have over here, by the way, my watch of the day is also a SEIKO. So this is the SEIKO Naruto collaboration featuring Sarada. What do you guys think? Hit the comments. Is this something that you would buy? What do you think of modified watches, modified SEIKOs? Let me know in the comment section. I really like it. I love the look. I love the style. I love the build. I love the overall, overall vibe of the piece. And yeah, looks really nice. That's actually it for today's vlog. I want to keep it simple. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.